Hi, I'm Paul. Welcome to Science That Sticks. Today, C1, atoms, elements, compounds, what they are, how to name them. Roll the graphic. Hi, I'm Paul. Welcome back. Today we're looking at atoms, elements and compounds, some definitions, some examples. Let's walk through it. The first thing is an atom. What's an atom? Well, an atom is the smallest indivisible piece of matter that we can actually get a hold of. Now, that used to be the old definition, of course. Now the AQA definition is the smallest part of an element that can exist. Okay, that doesn't really help, but that's a good definition. Then we've got elements, and then we've got compounds. Elements contain only one type of atom. Now, that might be next to one another. In the case of metals like iron with a metallic bond around it, it could be as part of a diatomic molecule, for example oxygen or nitrogen, which we are breathing in as we speak. Carbon dioxide, on the other hand, is a compound, and because it's a compound, it contains two or more different types of element or atom chemically bonded together. In the case of carbon dioxide, there's one carbon atom joined to two oxygen atoms. Easy stuff. Water, two hydrogen atoms joined to one oxygen atom. Again, easy stuff, compound. So let's have a look at what an atom is. Let's have a look at what a molecule is. Let's have a look at an element and a compound. Let's go to town on this bad boy. So let's have a look in some real terms and some basic explanations about what an atom, what an element is, and what a compound is. So behind me, I've drawn a very basic atomic structure of hydrogen. Hydrogen starts the periodic table off with a 1 and a 1 either side of a capital H. We'll discuss more about the periodic table in another video. Now, just here I'm showing 1p in the center to show that's one proton in the nucleus and one electron in its shell. When we look at hydrogen as an element, it exists as a diatomic molecule, H2. So when you are using hydrogen as a reactant, we always state that its chemical formula is H2. It contains two hydrogen atoms. They are the same type, hence it's H2. Now, if we draw that as a molecule, it will just be two little circles with two H's in it. Like so. Now let's look at compounds. Well, compounds are pretty easy. Let's look at water. Water's been falling from the sky pretty recently here in the UK. We're in October 2023, so this might age very well or it might not. But anyway, so water contains two hydrogen atoms, one oxygen atom. The scope of this video is not to cover the bonding associated with how these atoms join together. Let's assume, if you're a year 10 and year 11 student, that you know about covalent bonding. If you are a year 9 student watching this, you don't know about it yet. Anyhow, so let's assume that you're going to trust me with this idea that two hydrogen atoms are stuck, joined chemically to an oxygen atom. They are a different type of atom to oxygen, which makes it a molecule, and it also makes it a compound, because there are three atoms, two of which are different to one another, and they are chemically joined together. That's atoms, that's elements, and that's compounds. Until next time, as always, stay cool and goodbye.